sorry about the noise. It's my sister watching Phoenix and Ferb. So yeah, and I'm gonna show you what I got. So I got this a long time, but I haven't shown you that. But the book is new. Whoops. Yeah, spoilers. Okay, we spoiled it. Yeah. So yeah, that's the color of it. It's so cool. It's so pretty. Yeah, I just did that to my nails. It has jewels in it. They're not real. So yeah, and they have that. Then this one looks like black, but it's not black. It's the camera. So yeah. Then this more gold. Yeah, the thing is gold. Yeah. Then I got this thing for my phone. Oh yeah, and the best things last. You can see me kinda. I'm using my iPad right now, guys. I don't have a camera. This is my camera. So yeah, you can't see me. So you can't. So yeah, I'm wearing a cami right now. See? That's a mirror thing. A screen protector because I don't have it before. That's why my mom got this for me. It comes with a napkin. No, thing. See? Lizzie. That's not my real name. This is so great. I got. Okay, I like to do this on my holidays because my grandmother told me to, and my mom said, "Of course." So she told me, "Oh, your aunt always gets a book every holiday and reads it, and it has to be finished when the holiday's finished." Yeah, yeah. And so I said, "What?" I don't really like reading, so yeah. But today, my sister's friend and my sister's hanging out, so told me to do a club. I said, sure. So we went to the bookstore and we got this. It's so cool. It's Emily the Strange. I don't know if this is number 1 or 2. But I think this is. There's no numbers. It's really cool. You can read the back. The thing, I forgot what it's called. Oh, and I saw my teacher in the mall today. Can pause and read. See my camera focus. So yeah, and this is. So yeah. I hope I finish this book by the end of Christmas break. That's why I'm using jeans right now. Sweet window. That's the picture of me. I can go further. That's a picture of me and my friend. That's me and my mom and my sister. That's my sister. Yep. I'm so happy I got book of Christmas break. So I'll probably write everything right down there. Wait, no, because that's the beginning of the book. Sorry, dropped it. Probably I don't have space to put anything. Oh, here. I have blank space. It's really weird because she said, "Have you seen me?" That's my first book. So yeah, and that's all I got today. And it's 4 minutes. It's gonna take forever to upload. So yeah, bye.